Have you ever questioned whether there is a way to quickly make $30? It certainly seems preferable to working endlessly on your computer or composing papers for assignments all day, doesn't it? There is, and today we will talk about it. You may start earning money right away if you only follow a few simple steps. You need a computer, phone, and internet connection to get started. It may give roughly $30 in about 2 minutes, which translates to $150 in about 10 minutes or $450 in about 30 minutes. What is your process then? Get yourself a nice cup of coffee or tea first, so you won't miss anything from the discussion I'm about to have with you. Let's get back to the video, so let's begin by introducing AskWonder.com, another potential money-making website that might be perfect for you. If you're curious about AskWonder and what it has to offer, it is essentially a personal research assistant that saves time for professionals and students by emailing them with thorough responses and resources from a reliable network of scholars. Now, if you visit their website, it states that excellent research is provided quickly, which is a really potent claim that the researchers genuinely uphold. You can actually check out several example researchers by scrolling down. Each of them provides incredibly engaging and well-written study responses. Visitors to this website can be broadly divided into two groups: those seeking research-related solutions to their questions, and those offering thoughtful, insightful responses. The only thing that takes place on this website is that users deposit ideas for research projects they want to work on. Depending on the scope and complexity of the project, the people behind AskWonder formulate exceptional research questions that go to the heart of the issue. They literally assemble the research team on the spot by enlisting hundreds of top analysts from across the globe. Modern research approaches will be used by the analysts to study publicly indexed sources, and they will solve each jigsaw puzzle in real time before putting it all together into a brief using their patented knowledge assembly process. Prior to being delivered to the client, their research will still undergo a variety of quality checks. But how are you going to profit from this right now? By contributing as a researcher to AskWonder and responding to inquiries posed by wanderers. You'll need to work as one of their research analysts to make money, that much is true. But don't worry, I'll show you how to do it without even straining your mind. Yes, it's entirely doable, and I'll help you out every step of the way. Check the upper right corner of the pages and click the Become a Researcher button first. To sign up, click the Sign Up button, enter your contact information, such as your job name, and check the box next to the terms and conditions. After being approved, you must respond to a number of questions and submit an article that costs at least $30. It must be getting exciting now. You may make at least $30 right away by answering simple questions, and that's just the minimum. Now that you've registered, let's discuss how you can begin earning money. As stated before, there are a number of questions accessible for you to respond to, and they are continuously updated anytime a client comes in and requests that his or her ideas or inquiries be refined. As a registered research analyst, it is your duty to provide complete answers to these questions. However, there is a really easy method that I will soon reveal with you that will allow you to answer these questions without breaking a sweat. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Returning to the video, I'll show you how to respond to these questions quickly and effectively now that you've signed in, are on your dashboard, and have numerous tasks open for you to complete. After selecting the projects you want to work on, go to the instructing page to upload your file. For instance, you don't need to strain your brain to come up with a response to this question or any other on the website. You just need to conduct your own research on Google to find potential solutions. That's true, Google is your friend here, but you are free to use other search engines if you have access to them or prefer them. Simply copy the question or type it out and paste it into the search bar, and a number of sources will come up with answers for you. Pretty basic, yes? Since Ask Wonder partners with significant, genuine businesses, my most helpful advice for you is to look for sources that have been independently verified. Since you don't want to lose such a sizable amount of money, don't you? You also need to ensure that your answers are reliable and accurate. After conducting a Google search, open your word processing program such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs and start writing and pasting the best responses you can think of for the article you're contributing to. You can compile all of the solutions you found from different sources into a single document, but be careful to consider the coherence and soundness of your solutions. Even if there isn't much you can do due to the fact that the majority of the answers found on Google are already in-depth, make sure your comments are thorough. Once you're done, submit it to the relevant Ask Wonder question button, and you won't need to worry about receiving payment. It will only take a few hours or a day to connect to your PayPal account or your preferred online wallet. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.